Problem number 7 involves binomial distribution. Here is the problem. Children inherit genes from their biological parents, which determine their eye color. Marianne and Alex plan to have 5 children, and the probability that a child will be born with brown eyes is 0.75, assuming that the eye color of each child is independent of the others. In part A, we will state one criterion besides the fact that the eye color of each child is independent of the others. For a binomial distribution to be appropriate, there are 3 more conditions must be met. Number 1, there is a fixed number of trials. Number 2, each trial has only 2 possible outcomes, and they are success and failure. And number 3, the probability of success having brown eyes is the same for each trial, which is 0.75. So we can say the probability of success is the same for each trial. So we're only going to pick the one of the criterion. So we can say each trial will have brown or non-brown eyes. So we can pick each trial has 2 outcomes. In part B and the first section, we will calculate the probability that exactly 3 out of 5 children will have brown eyes. We will be using the TI-84 calculator. Let X represents the number of children with the brown eyes, with which follows a binomial distribution with the parameters n equal to 5, that's the number of trials, and p equal to 0.75, that's the probability of success. To calculate an exact binomial distribution value, we will be using the binomial PDF. So steps to use the binomial PDF, we will go up, open the distribution menu, press second distribution, and we want to select the scroll down and select the binomial PDF, and now we want to enter our data. So for the trials, we input 5, and the p-value is 0.75, and the x value will be 3, and press enter. So this will be our value for the probability of exactly 3 out of 5 have brown eyes. So we said the probability of x equal to 3 for the binomial PDF, 0.75, and that will be equal to 0.264. with the 3 significant figure. The second part of part B, we will calculate the probability that at least 4 out of 5 individuals will have brown eyes. To compute binomial probabilities involving the at least symbol on a TI-84 calculator, we will use the cumulative distribution function, the binomialcdf. This function calculates the probability of obtaining a value less than or equal to a specific number. Therefore, we need to adjust the x value accordingly. So we will open the distribution menu, second, the variables, and we will scroll down and select the binomialcdf. Now we're going to enter our values, 5, 0.75, and 3. Now we're going to subtract these results from the 1. So we will get 0.633 and 3